This is Fishy Filaments, a UK startup that is using discarded fishy nets in a really cool way. Fishy Filaments is a company in the UK that saves discarded fishy nets from clogging up landfill sites by instead turning them into tomorrow's 3D printed filaments. Fishy net waste is typically made of nylon 6 monofilament. Once collected, it is then processed using a proprietary washing and shredding process to then mechanically recycle it into clean, dimensionally stable filaments. The process of producing the renewable filament is designed for minimal chemical and energy use, with both water and gaseous emissions considered throughout the entire process. Fishy nets tend to be set aside as waste when they have been physically damaged during fishing or because they have some type of coating such as an algae biofilm. However, the plastics contained in used fishy nets are valuable and they should not be thrown away after one use. Fishy Filaments captures the whole value of those materials for their local economy rather than burning, burying, or exporting it. The resulting filament is suitable for desktop 3D printing. 3D printing has started to expand into new sectors from electronics, biomedical, pharmaceuticals, and construction to fashion and sports equipment manufacturing. We added this innovation to the library because Fishy Filaments provides a win-win solution. It transforms ghost nets littering our beaches and coves and produces a commercially viable product that has the potential for a wide range of uses.